This week's well-being practice in the Whole Life Challenge is called Let It Go. Every day this week, you're going to find something in your house or in your life that no longer serves any purpose, and you're going to let it go. You're going to give it away, or you're going to throw it away. Andy, what do you got?
What about these paints and these paintbrushes? Look at all these are great paintbrushes.
When's the last time you used them?
I have no idea.
Let it go.
But they might be useful someday.
Let it go.
All right, gone.
What about those cords?
Well, I'll save those for tomorrow.
For what's going to happen tomorrow?
I have to let something else go tomorrow.
Okay. That's your practice this week. Let it go.